It is essential to install the center of the antenna at 85 centimeters from the ground. Make a visual alignment of the transmitter toward receiver. Use the switch SW1 to change the microwave channel of the transmitter. 16 channels are available. Set a different channel than on neighboring barriers. Set switch SW1 to position 1. Follow buzzer to enhance alignment. If buzzer get continuous, push 1 second button S2. Reset buzzer and search for better alignment. Don't forget to repeat operation horizontally and vertically. Set switch 1 to position 2. Clear the area between transmitter and receiver, then standing behind receiver. Push button S2 for 1 second and wait for acoustic signal. The number of beeps indicate the quality of the alignment. 1 beep stands for perfect alignment. 2 beeps indicate good quality. If you have 3 or more beeps, repeat the alignment process. Don't forget to check also the alignment of transmitter. As the final step of the alignment process, set switch SW1 back to position 0.